Yo, what's going on today? I'm going to be teaching you how to have elite crosshair placement for building and editing. Crosshair placement is one of the most important things for your mechanics because it determines how fast you're able to edit and how concise you can be with your builds. First off, what is good crosshair placement versus bad crosshair placement? Good crosshair placement is when you move your crosshair the least amount possible in order to select the tiles to do the edit. So if I were to select right between these two tiles right here, that would be good crosshair placement. But if I were to do all the way back here and drag, that would be bad. I would be doing way too much motion for something that could be done with just a little bit of a flick. Here's an example of what good crosshair placement looks like. Here's an example of what bad crosshair placement looks like. Good crosshair placement is knowing where to look to place a build you want to place. For example, instead of looking all the way up to place this cone, I know that all I have to do is look halfway up the ramp and I can place that cone. Another example of this is when I want to place a wall right in front of me. I know that if I look straight out, it's going to place far away. I have to look down for the wall to place in front of me. Here's an example of good crosshair placement in building. Now you might be wondering why I switched maps. That is because I believe the best way to practice your crosshair placement is by building in 0.8 speed. Building this speed allows you to focus on your crosshair placement and make it as concise as possible. This is Raiders Mechanics Training Map V3, coded at the top of the screen. It will also be in the pinned comment and in the description. In conclusion, crosshair placement is extremely beneficial for editing and building. I hope you found this video useful. No long outros. Bye.